It's a lovely evening, and we are expecting to have a cracker of a match here. This looks like a bouncy wicket. The white ball will come nicely onto the bat. You might see the odd one fetching some extra bounce. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Long leg in place, expect some chin music from the bowler. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. He's not going to miss out on those. Good shot for a single. Deep point in place to cover that fierce cut shot. That's in the air. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked.
सुनो वो आ गया बैग आप तैयार हैं जल्दी आ जाइए
हाँ मैं आ गया स्पाइडरमैन
अरे वापस आओ
And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot for a single. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. That looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. Turned away for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. It's in the gap. They will look for some extra runs here. Excellent running between the wickets. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Last ball coming up. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume.
सुनो वो आ गया बैग आप तैयार हैं जल्दी आ जाइए
हाँ मैं आ गया स्पाइडरमैन
अरे वापस आओ
Resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Shot. That's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Hammered away for 4, good placement. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Got him. That's a loose shot by the batsman. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all.
क्या क्या धोएं? कैसे धोएं?
Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Directed. As a batsman, one should never take on his arm. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Oh, that's hit him. Got into an awkward position there. Good bowling. It beats him all ends up. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. Last ball coming up. Stumped, quick hands from the keeper. That's confirmed by the umpires. They put a good all-round performance today, bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.